Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting algebra problem in which we are given 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 3x equals to 10 and x belongs to a real number, so we have to find the value of x. So let m equal to 2 raised to power x, take cube on both sides. We get m cube equals to 2 raised to power x bracket 3, which will become 2 raised to power 3x. Now put these values in the given equation. We get m plus m cube equals to 10, which will become m cube plus m minus 10 equals to 0. We can write this as m cube minus 4m plus 5m minus 10 equals to 0. Now take m common from the first two terms. We get m square minus 4 plus 5 common from the last two terms. We get 5 bracket m minus 2 equals to 0. As we know, a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. So our equation will become m times m plus 2 times m minus 2 plus 5 times m minus 2 equals to 0. Now take m minus 2 common. We get m times m plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. So this will become m minus 2 equals to 0 and m square plus 2m plus 5 equals to 0. From here we get m equals to 2, and solving this using quadratic formula, which says x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, for an equation which is in the form of a x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we get the value of m equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 5 divided by 2 times 1, which will become minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 times 5, that is 20, divided by 2. On solving this we get minus 2 plus minus under root minus 16 divided by 2. On solving this we get minus 2 plus minus 4i divided by 2, which is an imaginary number, and we are given that x belongs to R, so we neglect this value and we get the final value of m, that is m equals to 2. Also, we have assumed earlier that m equals to 2 raised to power x, so 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 1. Since their bases are same, so their powers will also be equal. So we get the value of x equals to 1.